Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an issue about the application was unable to start correctly 0xc0000005 here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that we need to do is you need to press Windows and R key together to up and run. Here you need to type temp and click on OK to continue. So the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to see a bunch of folders here in your Windows. So just have to try to delete all of these files. These are junk files, okay? Just have to shift to delete all of these items, okay? And skip those files in use. Okay, just simply skip on it to finish the process. So these are bugs registries created by system and not by you. So definitely it will not affect the important data that you have created or saved in your computer. So there are some files left and that's completely fine. Just have to close this window and proceed to our next step, which is we will be navigating the same process again. You need to press Windows and R key together, and in this window, this time type percentage temp percentage. Once done, click on OK. So the moment you've clicked on it, you will be able to see all a bunch of folders here again. Just select any of these folders and then Control A to select the whole and Shift to delete permanently all of these folders or items. Again, just simply skip those files in use to finish the process. Okay, we're almost there. So just continue on skipping so that we would be able to finish such. Okay, so there are files again left and that's completely fine. And this time again, you need to press Windows and R key together. Okay, so this might be a simple steps, but definitely it will help you to fix your problem. Okay, so this time you need to type for prefetched. Okay, click on OK. So just simply click on continue to have the consent to access such folder. Here you need again to delete all of this. Select Control A to select the whole and Shift to delete. Click on yes to confirm your action. And there you have that. You have just successfully deleted all of those files. Okay. So one more good thing about the steps is we are fixing the problem and we are also making up free space in our desktop or computer. Okay. So that's the very good part of this. Okay. So the next step is here at the start icon, you need to do a right click, scroll up and go with settings. Okay. So here at the settings, you need to proceed directly to privacy and security. Okay. Simply click on it and wait for the privacy and security tab to appear. So once it's here, go with Windows Security under the security options. So here you can see protection areas. You need to select on virus and threat protection. And this time you need to go with manage settings under virus and threat protection settings. Here you need to turn off all of this real-time protection, turn it off. In my case, it has already turned off. And cloud delivered protection, automatic sample submission, and tamper protection, and all of this must be disabled. Once you're done, simply close this window. And here, you need to try to access or run the specific application or programs that you are currently facing an issue with. Check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.